girls.
How are you, Miss? Assalamu alaikum, Miss. How are you?
How are you? I love you. We have to wait 3 minutes until the other girls join us, okay?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you,
وعليكم
Miss?
السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. My
Assalamu
dear,
alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, Miss?
Miss, I will close my mic by myself and not open it.
Okay, I have to mute you in order to start the lesson after 1 more minute, okay? Stay quiet until the other girls join us. Yeah, but you are only 16. I will control the board. Okay, you cannot. Okay. And even the chat. I will close the chat. I will just open the chat in case I want you to answer some questions. It's locked. It's off now. Okay, we still have 1 more minute to start. Now you are 19. Please, you rename yourselves, girls. Rename yourselves. Please rename yourselves. You are 20 now. And I have to start. Actually, I have to start. It's time to start. Okay. Bismillah. Now we are going to start the lesson together. Today's lesson will be the last one for this semester. Inshallah, next time we are going to start the revision sheet. The final revision sheet for the final exam. We will start it together next time. I sent a message on the groups for you in order to get ready with the revision sheet. It's already uploaded on Classera. The final revision sheet is already on Classera. Please print it and get ready with it because we are going to start working and answering the questions of the final exam next time. Don't forget to print it from Classera. It's only 6 papers. The final revision sheet is only 6 papers. So please, my beautiful girls, try to print it for next week. Okay? Now I will change the share to start the lesson together. Okay, Bismillah. We revised before, or we started talking about geography, and we said that Unit 2 is completely different from Unit 1. Unit 1 was about the history of Islam. Again, Unit 1 was about the history of Islam, but Unit 2 is about geography. The first thing that we should know, what is the meaning of geography? What is this science? What is this field of knowledge? Geography is the study of Earth's people, places, environments, and landscape. When we study where the people live, how do they live, what do they work, where do they settle, so this is the job of the geographer. When we study the places, landforms, bodies of water, it means that this is geography. Again, this is the field of geography. Now I want one of you to start. There is a problem. Okay. I want here Javidan Mu'taz. Javidan, unmute yourself, ya Javidan.
Yes, Miss.
Can you say again what's the meaning of geography and what do we study in geography?
Geography is the study of Earth people, places, environments, and landscape.
Okay, so if I asked you, ya Javidan, complete the following sentence. Is the study of Earth's people, places, environments, and landscape. What you are going to use? Which word?
Geography.
Geography. Thank you, Javidan. Let us move to the next point. A map. In the study of geography, we need to use maps, or we usually use maps. What is a map? A map is a diagram. Diagram means a scientific drawing for a place on a flat surface. That flat surface is the paper on which we draw the map. So I want here, Amina Hassan, unmute yourself, ya Amina.
Yes, Miss.
Can you
Yes,
tell me,
Miss.
Amina, what is the meaning of a map?
One second. What?
What is a map? Can you read and tell me what is a map?
A map is a diagram for a place on a flat surface.
If I give you the sentence and I wanted you to tell me, what do we mean by a diagram for a place on a flat surface? Do we mean a map or geography?
Geography? I mean, a map, sorry.
Yeah, a map is a diagram for a place on a flat surface. Like this one. Can you look at this one?
Yes.
Look at this map here. Look at this map. I will make it bigger. I will make it a little bigger.
Okay.
All of you guys look at this map. This is a map for the United States of America. It's a diagram for America, or for the continent of North America, on a flat surface, on a paper. So this is the meaning of a map. Okay. When we study maps, we should know who can draw an accurate map. Who can draw it? Who can draw a map?
Miss, should I answer?
Yeah, mute yourself, my dear. After you finish answering your question, mute yourself. The one who can draw an accurate map, and when he finished drawing it, when he or she finished drawing it, we can use it or draw similar maps for it. But the one who can draw a map for the first time accurately is called a cartographer. The cartographer is someone who draws maps. Now, I want who? Tala Kamal. Ya Tala Kamal. Unmute yourself, ya Tala. Tala?
Yes.
Can you tell me who can draw maps, or who is the one whose job is to draw maps? What's his name or her name?
Is someone who draw maps.
Huh? Again, who? Can read this word once more? Yeah, the cartographer is someone who draws maps. I will tell you something, Yatala. And all of you, mute yourself, Yatala. This cartographer, when he draws a map, he must add 4 things for us to help us read and understand this map. What are they? One, the first one, look at the picture. Look at the picture here. The map tools, what are they? The first one, this one is called the title of the map. The title of this map, I will use my pointer or my spotlight to help you more. And after I finish, I will ask you about it. This map, this is the title of the map. The title of this map is the United States. What does the title of the map help us do? It helps us understand what is this map for, or what is it about. If I read this, I can know that this map is for the United States of America. So this is the first thing that the cartographer adds for the map to help us read it and understand it. Next one, or the second one, or number 2, the compass rose. The compass rose. The compass rose that show us the directions north, south, east, and west. It must be added for the map in one of the corners. The second thing is the map legend. We call this map legend. The map legend is a box that is put here in the corner, in the bottom corner of the map. It has some drawings and what do they mean, or what do they refer to on the map. For example, if we have a blue line, it means a river. If we have blue color, it means a water. This is for water, and so on. What else does the cartographer add for the map to help us understand it? The scale. What is the scale? We are going to discuss this now. So count with me the things that are added for the map by the cartographer to help us read it. Yeah. 1, map title. 2, compass rose. 3, Map legend for the scale. Let us talk about them in more details. Here, cartographers adds or cartographer, a cartographer adds, and we use the S here for the verb because the cartographer here is singular subject. He adds, or he or she, because the cartographer can be a man or a woman. He or she adds 4 things to the map to help us understand and read it. Number 1, the title of the map. Again, the title of the map. What else? Compass rose. Next, map legend. And 4, the scale. And here we have a map that like this. Now I will ask some of you to participate in the explanation. You are going to explain for me. You are going to explain for me. Lamar al-Hariri. Lamar, you will be my young teacher, ya Lamar, for the first point. Lamar?
Okay, Miss.
Yeah, raise your voice a little, Lamar, and explain for us.
Miss.
Yeah, explain for us what does the title of the map do for us. Read and explain.
To know title of the map. To know what is the map about.
Okay, look here, Lamar. Look at this map, Lamar.
Okay, I see it.
The map for the title for this map is what? Hawaii. The title for this map is what?
Hawaii.
Hawaii. So when we look at this map, we understand it from this title that this is a map for which place?
For Hawaii.
Yeah, thank you, Lamar. Thank you, my dear. Now we want another one. Maria Ahmed. Yeah, Maria Ahmed, my next young teacher. Unmute yourself, ya Maria. Maria Ahmed.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, explain for us. What about the compass rose? Read for us.
No.
What does the compass rose do for us? Maria?
Yeah.
Can you see the screen, ya Maria?
To snow.
To show us.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Show us.
Yeah. Direction.
Yes. Direction on the map.
Yeah, the job of the compass rose is to show us the directions on the map. Look at this map. Can you see the compass rose, ya Maria?
Yes.
Yeah. This is the compass rose. It tells us that any place in this direction is in the north. Any place in that direction is in the south. Any place here in the east, any place here in the west. This is the compass rose. Can you see it on the map, ya Maria, and all of you? Maria,
yes.
Are you here?
Yes, yes.
Okay, my dear. Now unmute yourself, ya Maria. Okay, now I want Ladun Fahd, ya Ladun. Ladun? Ladun. Okay. Ya Zahra? Zahra. Unmute yourself, Zahra.
Yes, Miss.
Yala, it's your turn, my young teacher, to explain what does the map legend do and where is it? Can you read for your friends?
To help us understand
Symbols
on the map.
Here is the legend. Here is the legend, girls. Can you see it? Can you see the arrow? It's moving here. This is the map legend. This map legend is a box in the corner, in the bottom corner of the map. It tells us the drawings and the symbols on the map and what do they refer to. The star is for the state capital, like Riyadh. Here is the capital of Hawaii. The black dot is a city. Here, this is a city in Hawaii. This is another city in Hawaii. Here we have 3 more cities, and here we have another city, and so on. And the blue color for water. So all the blue colors here for water.
Yes.
Yeah. Raise your voice, ya Zahra. Do you have a question?
It means that
What'd you say?
if they put a picture,
What?
when they put a picture, the map legend, this picture, it's in it, and next to it, the name of the picture that they mean that it is.
Yeah, yeah. And do you know, ya Zahra, and all your friends, that if we have water everywhere around land, it means that Hawaii is some islands. Is Hawaii an island or some islands? You have water everywhere around. Yeah, so they are islands. You know what are the islands?
No.
The island is a piece of land surrounded by water from all directions. This is land. People can live here, but everywhere we have water. Everywhere there is water. Okay, thank you, Ya Zahra. Mute yourself. You can mute yourself, my dear. Next, and the last one, the last one, the last one, the last point, and not the last one. Basima, no, Fatima Badi. Ya Fatima Badi, unmute yourself, ya Fatima. Fatima? Okay. Alia Shadi.
Yes, miss.
Okay, Alia. Can you explain the last one? What is the scale and read about the scale?
It is a
Relationship.
Relationship between the distances on maps.
I will move the map. Distance of the maps and real life distances. Like this one. This is the scale. The scale is divided into centimeters. It tells us that every 1 centimeter on the map equals 50 miles in the real world. This is the scale of this map. So the job of the scale is to tell us every centimeter on the map equal how many kilometers or miles in the real life. So this is the job of the scale, and these are the 4 things that must be added by the cartographer for any map to help us read the map and understand it. Okay, how to locate places now. Now our lesson is for we should talk about Fatima Bedi. You finish now. It's the turn of Fatima Bedi. Fatima, are you here?
Yes,
now we are talking about how to locate places. We can do that using the globe and the equator, the grids and the coordinates. Let us talk about what are these things. What is this, ya Fatima? Is this the globe?
Yes.
Can you read number 1 in red? What is this? What does the globe mean?
The globe is a model for air.
Yeah. This is the globe. Girls. Can you see the lines on the globe? And the globe is a 3D shape. It's a 3D shape. It's a sphere, a ball with the map of the world printed on it, like what you can see. Can you see the red line in the middle that divides the globe into one half at the top and one half down it? We call this line the equator. This equator helps us locate places. Any place up the equator is in the north of Earth. Any place down the equator is said to be in the south of Earth. Thank you, Fatima. Now, mute yourself, ya Fatima. And now I want Basima Halawani. Basima?
Yes,
Basima.
miss.
Who is talking now? Basima. Can you read, ya Basima, about the next thing, the equator? What is the equator? Read Basima. Where did Basima go? Okay, I will send you a message to unmute yourself again. Where is Basima Halawani? Where did you go, Basima? Your name is not here. Are you still here, ya Basima? Here, I found you. You are unmuted, ya Basima. Why don't you speak? Basima, are you here? You are unmuted. Basima? Okay. Let us have Ghazal. Ya Ghazal? Ghazal.
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
Ghazal. Can you explain for us what is the equator? Read here and tell us what is the equator.
Is an imaginary line that divides the globe into
Halves, into two halves. By the way, here it should be two TWO, two halves. Northern and southern. Northern and southern. Look here, girls. I
close my mic.
Okay, yeah, close your mic. Can you see that line in the middle? We have a line in the middle here. This line is called the equator. It divides the globe into north and south. Any place up the equator is on the north of Earth. Any place down the equator is in the south of Earth. And can you see some more lines that form a shape like a net? These lines are called the grids. These lines up and down that make like rows and columns that form like a net shape are called the grids. The grids are lines that form a set of columns and rows like a net. So what do we call these lines, girls? They are the grids. What do we call these lines? The grids. I will open the chat for you. I will open the chat and I want you to write for me, what do we call these lines that form a net? I will open the chat now and I'm waiting for your answers. What do we call these lines? What do we call these lines again? I'm waiting for your answers. Yeah, great, Javidan, Zaina, excellent, Serene, Greds, yes. More girls. Only 3 girls. Fatima Ali, yes, excellent. Zahra, more, yeah. Tia, excellent. Aisha Jamil, don't write in Arabic, yeah. Aisha, try to write in English. Lamar Al Hariri, Sala Kamal, excellent girls, marvelous. Rima, yeah. Razan, yeah. Sarah Muhammad, Zaina Ahmed, yeah, excellent girls. Alia Shadi, fantastic girls. Yeah, now most of you wrote the answers correctly. I have to close the chat again. Now look at the map again once more. So these lines are called grids. These grids help us locate places. But how? Cartographers, yes, mute yourself, ya Alia. Mute yourself, ya Alia. These grids have names. Their names are letters and numbers. Like this. Look here, girls. These are the names for the grids. Can you see? I'm circling the names for the grids. You can find letters and numbers. Letters, and every line has a name, a letter and a number. We use these letters and numbers to locate places. For example, if we wanted to locate Egypt, Egypt is inside this square. Egypt is inside this square. We use the letter followed by a number. How can we use, and what do we call these letters and numbers? We call the letters and the numbers coordinates. They are numbers and letters describing positions. How do we use them to describe positions? Let us see from another thing, but I have to clear all the drawings. Now I'm going to change the share. Okay. I'm going to change the share for us to practice how get ready to practice how to use the grids and the coordinates to locate places. Look here, girls. On this map, can you see the mall, the school, the train station, and the park? Here we have letters, and up we have numbers. This is the same with the grids on the globe, that what you have seen now. We use the letter followed by the number. For example, if I want to say where is the mall, I say this line is C and that line is 2. So the mall is in C2. Again, the mall is in C2. What about the park? The park is MB2. So this is how to use the grids and the coordinates to locate places. Now it's your time. Can you write for me where is the school using the letters followed by numbers? Where is the school? I will open the chat for you to write the answer. Where is the school? Huh? I will open the chat again. The chat is on. Huh? Can you locate the place of the school? Write for me. I'm waiting. Excellent. Excellent. Lamar. Huh? Are you sure that it is in C2? Yeah, most of you read the answer correctly. Yes. This line is what and this line is what? Huh? I want all the girls. Javidan, Rima, okay. Aisha, Jamil, excellent. Lamar, Tasneem, Amina, Tia, Maria, Alia Shadi, excellent girls. So the school is in NC4. The school is NC4. Like now, I'm sure that you understand how grids and coordinates help us locate places or positions. Again, the lines that are in white, the white lines are called grids. So the lines are grids. The letters and the numbers are coordinates. We use them together to locate places in the way that you did now. Thank you, girls. Now we have yeah. Yes. Now stop writing in the chat because you are having another question now. You are having another question now. Here, who draw maps? A, photographers, B, cartographers, C, painters, or D, old people? Huh? I'm waiting for your answers in the chat section. Huh? Excellent, excellent. All the girls answered the question correctly. Yes, all the class answered it correctly. Yes, the answer is B. Thank you. Stop writing in the chat, or otherwise I will close the chat. Excellent, girls. Just write the answer for one time. Write the answer for one time, girls. I have seen all your answers. Well done. The chat is off now. So the answer here is B. Yes, the one who draw maps is a cartographer. Your answer is correct. So the right answer is B. Cartographers are the people who draw maps. Huh? Now the next one. The next question. I will clear the drawings. I will clear the drawings and then move to the next one. This one. The line that divides the earth into two halves, the line in the middle of the earth, in the middle of the globe, is it the globe or grids or the equator or coordinates? Huh? I will open the chat once more for your answers. Huh? Yes, show me your answers. I'm waiting. The chat is on now. You can write the answer. Excellent, girls. Yeah. Some girls, most of you wrote the right answer, but some wrote the wrong answer. But just two girls write the wrong answer. Excellent, girls. Excellent. Now stop the chat. All the class wrote the answer correctly. Thank you, girls. I will close the chat right now. Thank you, girls. So the line that divides the earth into two halves is the equator. Well done, girls. It's the equator. Huh? The answer is the equator C. Some of you write A. No, the globe is the model for Earth. It's the ball with the map of the world printed on it. But the equator is the imaginary line that divides the globe into two halves. And we say it's an imaginary line, we mean that it's not a real line, just it was just added by cartographers or by geographers to help us say where the places on Earth. Are they on the north of Earth or in the south of Earth? The grids are the lines, and the coordinates are the letters and the numbers. And you use them now to locate places correctly. So the line that divides the Earth into two halves, this is the equator. Now it's time for the quizzes competition. Are you ready for it? Yes, I'm going to the quizzes competition. Now it's time for the quizzes competition. Yes, it's time for the quizzes competition. Are you ready? After the quizzes competition, we are going to celebrate the end of the semester together. Quizzes competition. Yeah. Get ready. Once I send you the link, start, girls. I think my internet is very slow. You have the link, girls. Again, I will send it once more. You have the link. You have the link. Join me quickly. Girls, yeah, excellent. Now I have two players. Only two players? 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh? Yes, quickly open the link. Excellent, girls. Now, 1, 2, 3, start. You have 3 minutes for the quizzes competition. Two minutes are left. Well done. Great job. Great job. You are 17. Where are the other girls? Where are the other girls? You are more than 17. 18. Huh? We still have 1 more minute. 1 more minute. I have to end now. Well done, girls, because you have only 3 or 4 questions. Yeah, excellent. Sireen, Rukaya, and Razan Hussam. Well done. And the other nice girls. Excellent girls. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Well done, girls. Let's revise the questions together. Let us revise the questions. Again, number 1, question 1. A diagram that shows our world on a flat surface. This is a map. This is the definition for the map. The model for Earth or a map for the world printed on a sphere. This is the definition of the globe. This is the globe. And 3, they are lines that help us locate places. These are grids. Thank you, girls. Now, at the end of my class, this is the last thing to be explained this semester. Now, you have another, I have a surprise for you. We want to celebrate the end of the semester. Let us celebrate together. Let us have fun. At the end of the semester, we want to have fun. Yes, let us have fun together. You will like it. You will like it so much. This is the end. This is the last thing in our period today, and I hope that you have enjoyed this semester greatly.
It was the first day of school. We were over the moon, all together in class. We were learning so fast. Then one day, it all changed. We had to stay inside. Well, my friends, it's okay, 'cause distance can't divide. And I know it was hard this year, but we made it through. Yeah, we made it through. And you know this is not the end. We will meet again. We will laugh again. It's now the end of school, and we've been very good. We're all fine, time to smile, 'cause distance can't divide. And I know it was hard this year, but we made it through. Yeah, we made it through. And you know this is not the end. We will meet again. We will laugh again. And I know it was hard this year, but we made it through. Yeah, we made it through. And you know this is not the end. We will meet again. We will laugh again.
Thank you, my beautiful girls, and thank you for this lesson. I hope that you have enjoyed it, and I have to end the period right now. Thank you so much for being with me, and goodbye till we meet again. Next time we are going to start the final revision. Thank you all, and goodbye.